Mike, the length of time from the crime until it finally came back, is that one of the main reasons why the prosecution decided to offer the plea bargain?
There's many reasons that we did that. The availability of evidence and talking with the family. We kept the family involved in this case from the time that we knew that he was taken in India. There was just a lot of different factors that went into it.
Just relieved because it didn't look very good there for a while, or I didn't think it did in the courtroom, but as it went on through and then the judge explained how he was feeling about it and that, then at the end you could feel that was going to get some kind of justice that we felt was just.
I think for a case that's 25 years old, that we feel okay about him getting 40 years, and that it's at least the beginning of the end of a very long process for us.
It's kind of set back by the fact that none of his family stepped forward to, I guess, to help him in a way. I don't know how else to say that. I mean, if you have to bring people from clear overseas and that's your only defense, that's not real strong. And you can't blame those people. They did the very best for what they could do, you know, to tell everybody what they thought he was. But obviously he was not what they thought.
I think it's interesting that everybody that spoke on his behalf had only known him from 2004 on. So there's a 15-year gap between 1989 and 2004. And like my dad said, nobody from his family stood up and spoke on his behalf.
Justice was served today, and without this guy right here, there's no way it would have happened. He's my hero, forever.
I knew it was going to be difficult. I didn't know if we'd ever be successful. I mean, I was here as a road trooper when this killing occurred in 1989, but I didn't work on the case. When I became a detective in 2005, I started working on it immediately, and just bolstering the case by re-interviewing witnesses to try to make a stronger case if we did find him. And the second part of that was to try to locate him. Spent a lot of time sending information overseas. Have a tremendous amount of assistance from the diplomatic security services, specifically Agent David Kozat, who actually located Mr. Huq, physically located him over there. Couldn't have done it without them. The FBI was heavily involved once we got him in custody. Did a great job for us. Steuben County Sheriff's Department was involved in the extradition. The U.S. State Department and their attorneys were very helpful in the legal process over there with the Indian authorities. The Indian authorities helped us greatly. Prosecutor Hess has been right there working hard on this case, and all his staff at the beginning. But primarily, I had the support of the Kelley family from the very beginning. I met Vern in 2005, went to his business, didn't know him, introduced myself, and said, I'm going to start working on your son's case. I don't know if I can find him, I'm going to try. And I am fortunate to say here today that we found him, and he's going to Indiana prison where he needs to be.